Welcome to Learn Scratch by Creating Simple Maze Game. In this course, you will embark on an exciting journey into the world of programming and game design using Scratch, a beginner-friendly visual programming language. Get ready to unleash your exactly as we guide you through the step of building your very own maze game from scratch. Whether you are new to coding or looking to expand your skills, this course is the perfect starting point to dive into the fundamentals of programming while having fun designing your own interactive game. Hello, my name is Khair and I will be teaching you in this course. So, let's start creating. Alright, now we are going to install the Scratch. So you have to go to scratch.mit.edu/download. Then you can choose your operating system. And then you just click the direct download. I have already downloaded the files, so I can just double click this one. And you can just follow the instruction in the installation window. So I want to use for everyone and then click installs. Wait until the installation finish and we can go to the app. So click finish, make sure you check this one. Okay, so this is the welcoming window whenever you start install the Scratch. So you can choose this one to not share, and here we are. So this is the UI of the Scratch. First you can see right here, this is called stage. So stage is the place where you will see the result of your game. Below that, it's called sprite pane. This is where you can configure all of the options for your sprite. The name, you want to show it or hide, and then the size and the position for the X and for the Y. Also for the direction, whether this is faced to the right or to the left. And here is the backdrop pane where you can choose the background of your stage. Next, here is our workspace, the place where we are put our programming. This is the block pane, the programming blocks that we will use it to create our game. And this is the category for our blocks. So also there is the tab here. This is costume. Whenever you want to drawing the sprite or the backdrop, and this is for the sound, for the back sound, or you can also record your voice. Next, this is the green flag. So in block pane there is the event when green flag clicks. So basically this is the starting for the game. So whenever you click this green flag, your programming will be executed. And this is for the stopping the game. Next, you can make it full screen, and you can save your file using this one. Later I will show you. Okay. In creating this game, I use the ChatGPT. So I will show you also how to use ChatGPT to help you creating your game. So I just asked the ChatGPT to give a real example of planning a simple maze game. So basically, before we creating our game, we want to planning first. So this is the game that we want to create, the simple maze game. So in the first, the player will see a start screen uh, with an option to start the game and also read the instruction. So there is the two button later on, yeah. And the gameplay, so the player can control a character using the arrow keys to navigate through the maze. So we will go to up, down, left, or right, yeah. And there is the obstacles. So the maze walls will block the player path. So the maze basically become as an obstacle. And the goal is the player must reach the goal sprite to complete the level. So later we will choose one sprite as a goal point. And the end game, when the player reaches the goal, and we will display the victory screen. Also, if the player hits an obstacle, display a game over screen. So maybe we can also give another object for make it as a game over point. Maybe in the next level. So we will also want to create a level for our game, yeah. Next, the key component. So player sprite, there is a player sprite, which is the character sprite controlled by the player. Also, we need the maze wall sprite representing the maze layout. We are going to use the background for this later on. A goal sprite, a sprite representing the goal. So this is the point when we will show the victory screen. An obstacle sprite, that the point for showing the game over screen. The game mechanic. Player movement. Use arrow keys to move the player sprite. So we will use the arrow keys in our keyboard. Up, down, left, right. And then collision detection. So in our game, we are going to add the programming to check the collision between our player sprite and the maze walls or the obstacles. Next, the victory condition. When the player reaches the goal sprite, display a victory message. So also there is the programming here, the logic here. And otherwise, we are also show the game over condition. If the player collide with an obstacle, display game over message. Visual and audio elements. Visual design maze wall sprite. We are going to prepare the maze background. Next, the sprite for player, the goal sprite, and the obstacle sprite. And for the audio, we are going to add the background music and sound effect for collision and victory. So background music first, next sound of effect for the collision whenever the player hit the maze or maybe just the obstacle, and for the victory, and we are going to add another one for the game over, yeah. Next, the level design. This is what I told you before. Start with a simple maze layout for the first level and gradually increasing complexity in subsequent levels. So the next level, to make it more complex, we are going to add the obstacle. Introduce additional obstacle and challenge as the player progresses to level. Yeah, we are going to make it maybe 2 obstacles in the next level and so on. Additional consideration. Scoring system. Consider adding scoring system based on the time taken to complete the maze. You are going to add this also later on. Level selection. Implement a feature to allow player to select different maze level. Okay, maybe we are going to add a easy, hard, and etc. Reset option. Provide an option for player to reset the maze if they get stuck. Okay. If they get stuck. Okay, so we will reset the level. I thought the instruction include the instruction on how to play the game on the start screen. Yeah, we're going to add this. Okay, next, so what to do? Okay, first we are going to create sprite and asset. How to do that? We can have 2 options. We can design on our own or to find it for the player character, maze wall, goals, and obstacles. So I will show you how to find the sprites. There is a